How to open Bank of America account online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Safari. In the source bar, search for Create Bank of America account. Head over to the very first site. It will open up this page. Tap on Sign In at the top right. Now what you want to do is tap on Enroll. It will lead you to the page where you'll be able to create your Bank of America account. So first of all, what you want to enter is the last digit of your card or account number. And then enter your social security number or your tax ID number. But if you don't have your social security or the tax ID number, then what you want to do is tap on I don't have. Well, you'll have to enter your checking or saving account number and then enter your last 6 digits of your ATM or debit card number. Also make sure to enter your ATM or debit card PIN. Once you are done, tap on Continue. And then your account will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can open your Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.